A single pass with a single cutter is usually the most accurate way to cut a slot, dado, rabbet, or groove of the correct width. Unfortunately, there are many circumstances where you don't have the right size cutter to do the job in a single pass. Your cutter and your stock just don't match up. Your problem is solved with Infinity's full stack slot cutter kit. Don't worry about making a mistake while sneaking up on cut width with an undersized bit, or settling for a sloppy fit with a slightly oversized cutter. Anywhere from 1/8 of an inch to 11/16 inch cuts are possible with this supremely useful bit set. It's as simple as measuring the thickness of your stock, and then stacking the cutters and shims until the cutter height matches the stock thickness. Our full stack slot cutter kit comes with 4 cutters sized 1/4 of an inch, 3/16, 5/32, and 1/8 of an inch, as well as a 1/2 inch arbor. Also included are 11.014 inch shims and a 7/8 inch bearing to regulate cut depth. You'll be amazed at how tightly you can dial in tailor-made grooves and slots on your next project with this slot cutter combo. Add Infinity's full stack slot cutter to your shop and discover how versatile a tool it can be.